Let me give you a short and quick overview over the dative, when to use it and what to use actually. Its forms are not that challenging. It's dem, der and den. For the plural, there's one specialty here, I'll come back in a minute. And the personal pronouns are mir, dir, ihm, ihr, uns, euch and ihnen. You might already know the question, wie geht es Ihnen? Ja, oder wie geht es dir? So this is the dative. So the specialty for the plural is that you have to add another n at the end of the noun. For example, you want to say, I've played with the kids. Ich habe mit den Kindern gespielt. Mit den Kindern gespielt. Kind is the singular form of child, Kinder, the plural, mit den Kindern, the dative plural. That's it, you will cover that in your class. Let's take a look at when to use the dative. First of all, after a dative preposition. This is the clearest case ever. Whenever you hear aus, bei, mit, nach, seit, von, zu, ab, and later on to more, außer, gegenüber, then you know that you have to say one of these words or one of these endings if necessary. You learn these in a special video, so let's not talk too long about this. The second possibility is you have a two-way preposition. Two-way prepositions are here, vor und hinter, über, unter, nebenan, zwischen, auf und in. You will learn these in a special video as well. But the specialty here is you use the dative with these only, and really only when the question is, if the question is wo, where, which is very static. We cover these extra as well. Third one, my example was, wie geht es Ihnen? So why do you use Ihnen and not wie geht es Sie? Well, this is due to the character of gehen, which means to feel in this moment. Or for example, danken. Ich danke Ihnen, I thank you. There's more or less 47 verbs that require the dative. You cannot use any other case. Yeah? You will find these in this course. And last but not least, we have verbs with two objects, for example, to bring. And these verbs use two objects in all the languages, no matter what planet you're living on, what country you are in. For example, to bring, whenever you bring something, you have something that you bring, and you have a receiver, you have someone who receives what you bring. And in this case, bringt seiner Mutter einen Tee, he brings his mother a tea. You can see the ER here is the feminine form of the dative. And you see this one here, einen Tee, this is the accusative. Just quickly, whenever you have two objects, the person, the receiver, is always the dative. And the thing you are giving or transferring is always the accusative. This is a short overview. We will cover each topic in detail in separate videos.